lately in society, I feel like we're questioning the importance of math, and I'm not exactly sure why we are, but we are. And for this video, I'm going to explain why math is important. So why is math important? That's a difficult question to answer, isn't it? So many options. There's just so many options.
This war, we're not winning it. If you speak a word of what I'm about to show you, you will be executed for high treason.
It's beautiful. It's the greatest encryption device in history, and the Germans use it for all communications.
Everyone thinks Enigma is unbreakable.
Let me try, and we'll know for sure.
Mr. Turing, do you know how many died because of it?
I don't.
3. While we've been having this conversation.
What is it that we're really doing?
We were going to break an unbreakable Nazi code and win the war. I'm designing a machine that will allow us to break every message, every day, instantly.
Have you decrypted a single German message?
You will never understand the importance of what I am creating here.
Our patience has expired.
No!
If you fire Alan, well then you'll have to fire me.
Me too. And me.
You better bloody work.
So this video clearly shows the significance of math and how World War II, how that all went down. And what is amazing to me is that this isn't even the only scenario where math was where it played a significant role in World War II. For instance, when the end of the World War II, we're talking about the atomic bomb now, so a lot of people think Albert Einstein invented the atomic bomb, and I'm going to say that's not true at all. Albert Einstein did not invent the atomic bomb. There were other people that were working, and America knew about it before that, before he was even there. So he had nothing to do with it. But what was significant was that he was a physicist working on the atomic bomb, and that he ended up sending a letter to President Roosevelt informing him that there was this bomb that we were developing that could possibly end the war. And this is the letter right here. Here's the letter. And in the letter, he writes him directly, and this is significant as the president takes his advice, and we ended up using it for World War II. And so there's these two major historical events that took place because of math. I mean, physics is clearly math, but yeah, I mean, math is also important in conventional math, like it's used in English in the forms of law. The subject English in the form of law. For instance, exactness, such as the term innocent until proven guilty, is an if-then statement in mathematics. In theoretical math, it's the same thing. It's very precise in the way that you're able to tell, right and wrong in philosophy and that stuff too. So math is important in all subjects. I mean, these were some of the more difficult ones, but math is clearly important, and I just wanted to make that connection there.